In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a theme from Google Chrome and go back to the default look in just a few easy steps. This is a quick and simple fix if your browser has a theme you no longer want, or if you just want Chrome to look clean and original again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click on the New Tab button so you can access the Chrome customization options more easily. On the bottom right corner of the New Tab page, you'll see the Customize Chrome button. Click on that to open the personalization menu. A panel will appear where you can change different parts of Chrome's appearance. From there, click on Change Theme. This will show you the available theme options currently applied to your browser. Now, look for the default option and click on it. This is the setting that removes the current theme and returns Chrome to its standard appearance. Once you select default, Chrome should instantly switch back to the original theme without any extra steps. And that's it. You've successfully removed the theme from Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, and now your browser is back to the default look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.